important feature in NoviLens use in healthcare is its ability to interact with EMR systems. Now, since the Affordable Care Act, all EMR systems have to have a standard for storing data, and that standard is referred to as FHIR. If you look at NoviLens, here we can click on the FHIR interface and see that it includes the ability to connect to any type of FHIR-based EMR system. This includes all the different Epic things, Cerner, GE, all of them follow the same standards. Now, once it's configured to attach to your instance of the EMR, it becomes simple to just click and choose the different files or tables within your EMR and be able to look at the information that's there. Once it's selected, you can either filter on it or you can select it and search by specific factors. And you can see here that allows you to preview your data. Again, this is the experimental database that the FHIR standard organization has for us to be able to test out our applications. And again, NoviLens is compliant with those FHIR standards. So you can see where you can bring in all sorts of data and allow yourself to be able to do these sorts of tasks. Now, once the data is in place, you have these tables that come from FHIR, and it's very easy for you to now join them together. You simply do many-to-many relationships, or you can do foreign key relationships. Here's a foreign key strategy. And this allows you now to link all of the information between your data and then be able to develop dashboards. And these dashboards can be for clinical reasons. They can look at information with regard to financial records or whatever you want, and allow you to focus and filter information. This can be very helpful if you have problems such as disambiguation between patients who may be in multiple EMR systems. The system's able to bring it up, and you can look at different attributes of a patient and determine whether or not the same patient exists in different databases. Again, all included with NoviLens and its ability to fuse data between different patients. Again, and having the machine learning capabilities, it's easy to develop algorithms that help with these processes. Included in this is its ability to easily take the data from FHIR and apply tools such as the ICD code finder. See, in this case, we can search using the FHIR interface on patient records. Here in this case, we'll look at a patient, CBS. And we can see the different entries for this patient. And here's their observations that are pulled from the EMR. Now, we have an application that's included in our healthcare package that allows the system to go and read the EMR and then assign ICD codes. This isn't something where the clinician has to assign it or a nurse has to assign it, but rather assists in the billing department's ability to now screen and find whether or not the appropriate codes have been assigned. Now, the beauty of this system is that it will look for coded or conditions that meet coding rather than having to worry about whether someone has interpreted things correctly. So it can find places where codes may have been missed and opportunities for billing that could have been missed. And you'll see that what it does is it highlights descriptors, which are actual nouns associated with billing, modifiers, or mesh terms, where it appears as though there is something that's not quite matching an ICD description, but by using mesh thesaurus terms and looking for synonyms, we're able to find the code. If there are questions behind it, a pop-up of the actual ICD definitions appear, and you're able to select those. And it's really easy to get rid of things that have no meaning. Once the code is selected, it can then be sent to your billing things. So again, this ability to read FHIR, to be able to merge different FHIR sets if you have multiple EMR systems in your healthcare environment, the system allows you to bring them all together, help with disambiguation. It also sets itself up to help you with ICD coding. You could take that coding and then apply it in machine learning algorithms to improve your reimbursement status, a number of applications, all built on the fact that it's very easy for you now to connect to FHIR-based EMR systems. Thanks for listening.